Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We are cleaning today. Today's a Wednesday, and Wednesdays are my life home admin days. I believe every woman in the world should have a life home admin day. If you work, have children, and or just any of the above, I think every woman should just have it. You know those appointments that you have to go to, like doctor's appointments, kids' haircuts, anything at all. Anything you need to do during the week, you need to do it during the week and not the weekend, because most of these places close on the weekends. And when you have such a big family like myself, there's a lot of appointments throughout the year, and I never get to it because I realized I don't have a weekday that's free. I'm always working during the weekday. So when we opened up my second company, most of us in that company are women. And so I decided we're going to do something very special, and we're going to do Wednesdays work at home. It's mostly a free day. I honestly tell my staff, my team, that, hey, work, but work around your schedule, because that day is for you to be powerful. So if you need to do self-care, go do it. If you need to go and clean your home, declutter, do spring cleaning, go shopping, go do it. When you have work tasks that you need to do the bare minimum on that day and to really get to you. Because when you're happy and you feel a sense of you feel less anxiety for work, I think. That's just my experience. Our team agreed with me. I have the freedom today to work in the evening, and during the day all day, we are going to declutter this room once and for all. I've shown you the real side of my master bedroom, inside out, on my first video, the intro video, and since then, my head was like spinning. I was like, wait, should I delete that video? I should delete that video. I don't know why I uploaded that video. What got into me? That was like a vulnerable moment. I honestly think I should take that video down. I talked to myself all day, but I decided, you know what, Helen, it's great. It's real. It's raw. This is real life. And this is why you're doing these series. So hopefully you could relate with me. I'm going to go pick up my kid, number 3, right now from school. It's time. I had my lash appointment earlier, so I got my pretty new lashes filled. And I am going to come back. I have a few hours that I can tackle this in between him and picking up my last child, because she's in like a theater rehearsal this whole week. Today would be a great day to do this because I am traveling to New York tomorrow, which I'm going to vlog about. So let's get to it. Oh, there's just so much to clean. Wow. Jewelry box, classic. I'm not going to go through everything in here right now because I don't think that's what we want to do. But I'm just gonna, I'm gonna check it out. Oh my God, I broke this. I wouldn't say that I would wear anything in here right now, so I'm just gonna let this one just piece out for the time being. I have a place in my closet for these, and I'm gonna work it all at the same time when I'm decluttering my jewelry. How about that? Wow. Talk about a hoarder. So one of these days, I'm going to go through this as well. This is another day. This is going to go in the kitchen because I need these. Do you guys collect receipts as well? But I know I have more. Look, this is all receipts. No kidding. Receipts. I wish there were money rolls, but there are receipt rolls. Lots of hotel key cards. Progress check. I am doing a great job. I have really completed cleaning out that whole middle area and going through everything inside and making sure that I am keeping everything for now. This is the mess. I know what you're thinking, but no, we are good. That's a donation pile. That's a toss pile right there. A lot of these, no, not you, but all of these things down here are things that I need to put away in its own place. Bed is made, looks great. And I just need to kind of clean up the surface there, but we've got cleaner surfaces. I have to tackle this area right here, and I know a lot of this is gonna like go into its own place. I am not using, for the most part, all of the journals that are kind of out here on my desk, and so I think I'm gonna just get rid of that whole corner standing shelf there. Just have a clean table where I can just freely go in, journal, plan, do what I need to do. That is the current progress. Over here, I still need to work on. I haven't even gotten here. Hi, dogs. Hi, bears. Oh my goodness. 4 chocolates later. It's right around 4 o'clock. I am going to get to this now. I just want to peace out with her and just sleep. But, you know, I'm not going to get the work done. Thanks, husband.
You're welcome.
Husband's helping me. Donation pile. That still has a tag on. I don't know what that was. Hi, Ollie. Are you in the donation pile? Hi, Paris. We need to get something there. No, nope. We want it minimal. Look at this. I love this. So now I could fill it up with something nice.
Be a star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left.
All right, finally a quick tour. I am all set. I am so happy that I did this, and thank you so much for being a part of this. I really needed that boost of energy and motivation to really get going with this. And look, all my stationaries are trimmed down for sure, once and for all. My desk is clean. All my stationery goods. Love it. Everything is gone. And I've got my coffee here, but everything's wiped down, super clean. Bed is made. The only thing I would change about this room at this point is our bedding. And so I think I'm gonna go shopping and probably the next episode with you to kind of redo this. So it's more springy, it's more summery. I like the neutral vibe for fall and winter, but when it comes to spring and summer, I love to have colors. Okay, here we go. This, however, is going to be my sell pile. And I'm not selling it for expensive, I never do. It's just for someone to enjoy it as much as I did. Everything is good. All the clothes are gone. I'm so happy about that. And then we just got back from a trip, so this actually belongs in his drawer. Super clean, love it. Let's walk in here. Funniest thing ever, this towel is here hung up because we have 4 kids that love to shower in our bathroom. And so every time we go to use the shower, we never have a towel. My husband likes to hide our towel in here. We're checking out this little corner. I did get rid of everything. My husband really helped with that. As far as decluttering goes, you can see that I still have to do a massive declutter and probably new shopping for spring and summer for both my husband and I. And so we've got a bunch of bags here and a lot of clothes that I don't wear at this point. Oh, especially that little corner right there. There you have it. Thank you for joining me on this journey to declutter my bedroom once and for all. I am super happy and pumped to use this room more than ever. I'm pumped about this area because you guys know I love my stationaries. My throat's doing something funky today, so don't mind me, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.